Babe, our old home is coming along. Our old fixer-upper.
Yeah! Yeah!
Hey y'all, welcome. Thanks for joining me. I'm Shantae and this is Tut Tip. So today y'all, I finally got enough of the built-in wardrobe that we're working on put together. We still have to get the doors. We still have to get the nightstand that we're going to put in the bottom, some more storage items. But I did I went shopping. And I picked up a couple of things to help me start organizing what I can put in here. So let's get started. My husband has been putting this together for me. We want to do one on each side of the bedroom. If you've already seen some of my other videos, you know we're working with some small closets in the master bedroom. So this is going to help solve that problem. Ooh, my arm hurt holding this camera. Alright y'all, so I already put most of my handbags up there. So I'm going to put these last two up here. So this is where I'll put all of my handbags. I have my smaller handbags, my little wallets and stuff like that in my other closet. I'll show y'all that. Well, Tisha, you can show them the other closet. So I have all of the other smaller handbags in this closet right here, over here on the top on the side. Can they see that? So over here on the top on the side over here. So if you haven't been following me, then you don't know that this is what I have shown this closet before. I ain't planning on showing it today, y'all, so I'm glad it ain't like a mess up in here. So we only have two closets in here that's this size, mine and his. He's turning his closet into a shoe closet, so it'll have all of his shoes. He got a lot of shoes, y'all, so it'll only be for his shoes, and then he'll have his clothing and everything in his walk-in and his built-in wardrobe. So let's see what's next. Okay, so these little bags, y'all, baskets, I don't know what you want to call them, but these little organization bins, I picked these up from Lowe's. Let me see. Let me turn it around so y'all can get a look. I just thought it was cute. Obviously the color scheme matches our bedroom, and then I like the idea of this leather straps that they have on here, which matches the furniture we have in here. That's cute. So as soon as I seen them, I jumped on them right away, and I decided to get these to just throw in maybe like my scarves. We're going to see. I might switch things up, but once I have the closet fully done, I will do another video, but we're going to see what we get done today. Now, I was looking for more like a basket, and I wanted something that was already shaped where it was going to stay that shape. So I'm thinking that once I fill it up with stuff, it'll look more solid. I hope I explained that well, but that was like my only issue when I got these. I don't know why that was a big deal to me, but I wanted it to stay in the perfect circle, y'all, and not all this and all that. See, so I got two of these, so we're gonna use these for the top shelf. And I got this basket here from Target. So if you see my bathroom video, the one I did with how to style or organize your open shelving in your bathroom, this is the same basket. It's just bigger than the one that I have in the bathroom. Check out that other video I did so you can see what shape and sizes it comes in. So this is gonna go in the middle. I'm not sure what I'm gonna put in this one, but let's get started. So first, I'm gonna throw my jeans up in here, y'all. So I'm gonna put my wide leg jeans here. I don't got that many of them, so this is perfect. And I still got room to add one more here. And so the rule that I'm gonna try to live by, y'all, I'm gonna try, is if I get a new pair of wide leg jeans, then one of these is gonna have to go. Once the spot is full, I don't need to replace it. But if I do want to replace it, then it's one in, one out. That's how it's gonna go. Cause I just don't got that luxury. I don't got that big home and that big walk-in closet where I can just be getting more than what y'all see here. That's just gonna be how I roll when it comes to my purchases from now on. If I ain't got the space, I either won't get it. Now if I love it, I'm getting it, but something gonna have to go. So then next to that, these are my color jeans and pants and the dark tone jeans. So that'll go right next to this back here on the back. And then I'll have to go in and check and make sure everything is color coded. I like to keep everything color coded. Y'all, dark to light or light to dark, whatever. And you know, I use the color wheel to decide in what order each color goes. Okay, so this is the last of my jeans, y'all. I don't own any more jeans. And most of these is just skinny jeans now. Now with the skinny jeans, somebody told me they was going out. I done seen somewhere, y'all, where these skinny jeans is going out of style. I hope not, because I really love skinny jeans. And I always thought that they would be in style forever. Did y'all hear that? Y'all let me know. Now if I like it, I'm going to wear it anyway. But if I like it, I'm going to wear it anyway. But I would like to know, is this true or not? I done seen on somebody's social media that skinny jeans is going out of style. I don't know why. I don't think they should. I think it should be something classic and always be around. But here go all my skinny jeans. And guess what? Ain't none in the dirty clothes right now. Everything's washed. So I got room for about 2 more, y'all. Yeah. Okay, so here go all of my scarves. So that's what I'm going to use this basket for. I'm going to put these scarves in this basket. These little scarves right here, I'm just going to throw in here, okay? That's how we're going to do that. So I've already rolled up these scarves. Now, I got the idea to roll the scarves up like this from a few spots. One was the Home Edit. And I'm sorry, I cannot remember who else I seen that rolled their scarves on like this. But they passed that tip on to me, and I'm passing it on to y'all. And I'll give y'all an example of how I rolled these. So, y'all, I got a lot of scarves. This is crazy. Okay, so this is how you do the scarf. You want to just wrap it around your hand. Then pull it through, and then you have a little knot, okay? I hope I did that. This, y'all can see that. Okay, I tucked the loose end inside here. And so now I have my little knot, and this is how I store my scarves, okay? Some of these scarves are huge, y'all. They're very bulky, so that technique was easier on certain scarves than it was on the huge scarves. Like this scarf right here, y'all, is huge. So it still worked, but it just didn't look as neat and tight as some of them looked. This is a huge one too. So, alright, so what I'm going to try to do is put mostly the black and white ones at the top, y'all. And then bam! Okay, so this one, they fit, y'all. So this one I'm going to put over here, right here. I'll take the tags off of these later. Let's see, without the stool, how this is going to work out. Alright, so I'm just going to reach up here, grab my basket. Boop, boop, boop. So that's going to work out. This basket here will go in the center. Just like that. Let's move this so this leather strap is going over here. So. Okay, so remember I still got room behind this basket to put something. I don't know when I'm going to put there yet. And I don't know what I'm going to put in here yet. And then this next basket, I have a bunch of hats. My daddy's hats, a couple of his hats that passed on to me. I live in South Carolina, so I really don't need gloves, but I have a couple of gloves right there, y'all. And that'll go here. And it was still a lot of room in here, y'all. And I guess I had more hats than I thought of, because I was going to say I'll find something else, put the hats in it and put the hats behind the scarves, because I'm trying to put something that I don't use that often in the back. And I don't switch out my handbags a lot, so I don't think that's going to be a problem, but if it is, I'll figure something out. Okay, so that's how that looks, y'all. That's the top. So down here on the bottom, I need to sweep this. Oh, and I forgot to put this in here. I had this in here. I'll do it later since I'm filming, but normally I always throw a dryer sheet around everywhere in my closet, my drawers, in my closet. So I did do a video as well on other ways you can use dryer sheets around your home. So y'all check that out if you haven't seen that one. Okay, this right here, I don't have nothing in here. This is just some pillowcases, y'all. So I don't even know why that's doing. What's that doing there? Alright, y'all, so I got this Easy Liner smooth top right here. I got it in white. So I forgot to add this, so I'm going to go back and add this. This right here, I have some sweaters and a couple of onesies, y'all. I'm a onesies girl. So right here where I'm sitting this right now, that is where I am going to put a nightstand. So I'm going to find a nightstand that's the right size to go right here. And I do not know what I'm going to put in there yet, y'all. I don't know what color I'm going to go for yet. If I'm going to do a gray, a black, or wood tone, some type of wood vanity. Not vanity, but nightstand. We gonna see. On this side is for my dresses. So now I'm about to fill in this with some clothes so y'all can get an overall picture of my built-in wardrobe. And remember I said that we're going to order some doors. We got to get the doors. They're going to be sliding doors. It'll open up one from this way, and then you can open up one from this way. And we're doing another built-in wardrobe like this one on the other side of this window in the bedroom, and that'll be for my husband. Let's start putting stuff in here. So I try to have my stuff color coordinated in here. This is what I use, y'all. Keep it in my drawer. And so this is what I use, the color wheel. Y'all remember this from school? I got this from Michael's. I got this size and I got a larger size. And this is how I normally organize the colors in my closet, by using this. Alright, so here go my dresses. I don't gotta run in the mud room, y'all, which is on the other side of the house, when I need to figure out which dress I want to wear for today. So, as you can see, they do touch the bottom. I don't care about that. So, at first I was flirting around with doing 2 shelves and doing 2 rods, 1 high, 1 low, things like that. I was going to do 2 nightstands here, and I was going to kind of take my dresses and do this kind of number, just so I can have extra storage on the bottom. It may still come to that, y'all. We gonna see. But for right now, I had got the tape measurer and I measured. I bought my dresses in here, and I knew already beforehand that I was gonna have this little situation like this at the bottom. I don't care, y'all, because I needed this extra space up here, and I wanted to be able to put some decent sized baskets up here. Alright, y'all, so this is all of my dresses right here. Every single last dress that I own is right here now. And I like to have like maybe a finger, a little wider than a finger in between each clothes hanger. Between each hanger. So that's how I normally do that. But I'm not a stickler for I'm not a stickler for that, but that's how I try to do it and keep it and let that gauge if I have too much that needs to be in here. So this is everything, y'all. I got blazers over here, and so when I get the nightstand, I probably have it come to here. So halfway, you don't have to follow how we did it exactly, because at one point we were talking about having 2 different sides and one being completely shelves, like for shoes and things like that. So it saved us a lot of money, because I was thinking about going to someone like California Closet, or I think the other one's Cabinets to Go or something like that. I don't know. I might have just made that one up. It's Cabinet something. But anyway, I was looking up those, and y'all, those are very, very, very expensive. But this is all real wood that we painted and sanded. And I'm not going to go into all that in this video. The cool thing about it is you can get as creative with how you do this as you want to get. You don't even have to hang any clothes in it. It could just be for your purses, for all my handbag girls, okay? So this is my built-in wardrobe. Almost done. I'll show y'all when the whole thing is completed, and I'll show y'all when his is completed, and if I make any changes, I'm gonna show y'all. Give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like this video, comment below, subscribe. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can be notified next time I do a video. Plus, don't forget to follow your girl on social media, Instagram and Facebook. See you next video. Babe, our old home is coming along. Our old fixer-upper.
Yeah. Yeah.